I'm going to do a watch review, right, on this watch brand that I happen to like. It's called Verdure watches. And today we're going to take a specific look at the prestige model from their sophomore collection. Now, you know me, if you've been following me, you know I don't just do regular watch reviews. I got to get out in the wild. I got to test it. I got to really be able to let y'all know, get other people's reactions. So I just want to let y'all know. So check this out, me out in the wild with Verdure watches, and we'll be back in a minute.
It's a beautiful piece. Very nice.
Yeah.
Well done, well done.
No, I just like it against your diamonds.
Oh.
Who makes that?
Yeah, who makes this?
It's a cool clasp.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like
love
that. It's easy.
It's got an interesting wine to it. I like that.
You like it?
Yeah. Yeah, man, I love this.
Okay, now let's take a deep dive and look into this watch, the Prestige. First of all, I'm loving the Roman numerals, sucker for Roman numerals. Then it has a peekaboo see-through of the skeleton. You know, I like that that vibe. Then it has a cool like bezel, you know, fluted around the edges. I'm loving that. That is super cool. But if you look closely at the checkerboard dial, that is so sexy. This thing is about 42 millimeters. It has, you know, stainless steel. It has these, you know, extended lugs, curved lugs. Another feature I love about this is the strap and the deployant class. Logo on the deployant, but the strap is real luxurious in quality. On the flip side, you even have a open case back, right? You know, it's powered by ST16 automatic movement. Even cranking this thing just feels good and luxurious, punching above its weight class. The automatic movement, it powers the sweeping hand. Look how smooth that thing is. This is just a watch that I love. I get a lot of attention when I wear it. It definitely punches above the weight class. Well, I showed y'all the Prestige model from Verdure watches. Shout out to the founder and CEO, my guy Eddie Johnson. I really think you knocked it out the park with the quality and luxury that you was trying to get across. So he has several more models that I'm actually going to check out and review, but you've seen it here. Go check it out. Verdure watches.